Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another crazy weapon from Fortnite, and this time it's gonna be the missile launcher. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so for this one we gotta draw in the grip area first. So from here we're gonna draw just one line straight across, and then we're gonna angle it down a little bit. And then from here, right in the halfway point, right around there, we're gonna come here, okay? And then we're gonna come down. So this is gonna be the grip. And then we're gonna come out a little bit. Okay, and then now let's work on the other side. So we're gonna come down straight across. And then we're gonna just, same slant as this one, just come down, just trying to meet up with that, okay? And then from there, we're gonna draw the trigger, so it's really easy, straight down. And then there's gonna be a little bit of detail right here on the grip, so we'll just draw a little rectangle. And yeah, let's add in the detail now then, since it's so easy. Okay, and then here, two more dots, and just one more dot here. All right, so now that we got the grip area, we're gonna work from here. So now we're gonna go out and keep going out. So it's almost double this distance, almost. Okay, so just, and then on the back here, we're just gonna go out. Okay, so once we have that, now we can start working up. So from here, right around the grip area, let's just go up. Okay, so this is gonna be how high your tube's gonna be. And then now we're just gonna draw a rectangle right here. Just gonna connect this. Okay, so that's the back portion, and then we're gonna draw in a line here. There's some details, and let's see. While we're here, let's finish up the back then. Okay, so we're just gonna flare out on each side, and then we're gonna connect this, and then we're gonna go past it a little bit, go back, straight back. Connect that, and there's gonna be some lines here because there's actually some geometric shapes. Okay, so from here, now let's draw in this little, I guess this would be the shoulder area. This little piece rests on your shoulder. Okay, so just a little angle like that. So now let's see, let's go back to here. So from this point, we're gonna extend it a little bit. And then we're gonna draw kind of like a rectangle. It's gonna be rounded on the bottom. Okay, so then here, we're gonna go lower and draw a line straight across right around this area. And then we're gonna go up, slant up. And this is gonna be the same height as this one, so we're gonna keep going. And then we're gonna bend it down to, wherever you had this point here earlier, so we can close it down straight. Okay, so that's gonna be the front, and then the tip here, we'll extend this, and we'll extend this, and then we're just gonna go out, again close it. So after that, we're gonna come back up here. We're gonna extend this line, close it off, and then we're gonna extend it a little bit more, right above the trigger. And this is where the sight's gonna be. So we'll draw a rectangle, and then we'll just draw another rectangle up, going straight up. Okay? So now let's draw in this grip here. So we're just gonna go down, curve, go up a little bit, halfway about, and then we're just gonna slant it in. And there's gonna be a little bit of detail here. We can just draw, make it a little bit more complicated. Okay, so let's see. Well, let's draw in the missile, right? So right here, we're gonna go, let's go straight out. So let's see, now let's add in the details inside. So right above here, we're just gonna draw one rectangle. So now it's easy. So now we're just adding little details. And right here, there's gonna be a yellow stripe. So we're gonna come straight down. And it looks like there's gonna be a little bit of detail here. So I'll just draw in some lines. Maybe even here, this looks like a slightly different color. Okay, and then let's see, there's gonna be 2 screws there. And on the back here, it's almost like some kind of strap, metal strap on it. And it's gonna go all the way on the top here. So just draw it like that. Looks like there's a couple of lines here, and you can add actually, you know, just add your own stuff and make it more complicated. So that looks really cool. And then maybe it looks like there's something going on here. And that's it for this missile launcher, and hope you guys like the way it turned out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.